Hello guys, how are you all doing? So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create amazing AI videos like this, how to create animation videos. I guess you can see this, you can see how great this video is. So let me play the video right away so you can see for yourself if you love the video. So let's play this video.
A king, murdered in the midst of celebration. The crowd roars, music echoes, armor clinks. Philip II of Macedon, conqueror, visionary, father of Alexander. But as petals fall, betrayal strikes. A dagger flashes, a gasp cuts through the cheers. Blood stains the crown. Pausanias, his own bodyguard, driven by rage and humiliation, plunges steel into the king's chest. Philip collapses, chaos erupts, and in that single heartbeat, the throne passes to a boy, Alexander. The wedding feast becomes a funeral. The empire trembles. Yet from the ashes of betrayal rises a legend. From bloodshed came destiny.
So I guess you can see all that. You can see how great it is. About a minute video, and the faces are all similar. Like, this is not that video you create and each of the character comes with a different face. Like, I'll show you how you can go about creating great videos like this as long as you pay attention from the beginning to the very end. So are you ready, guys? Awesome. So for you to create videos like this, it's very simple, guys. First thing first is you need to create a script for your video. You need to create a script. If you don't know how to create a script, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create you a script for this video. Do you understand? Once ChatGPT gives you that script, next thing is you need to create images for your video. You need to create images. These images you create helps you get a better content, a better video, a video that carries the kind of faces you want it to carry, not the one that probably Mr. Charles has this face and later on you see Mr. Charles carrying another face. Do you understand? That is not a good one. I'll show you how you can go about creating videos whereby Mr. Charles has the same face throughout the whole tutorial. Are you excited, right? So once you go to ChatGPT, ask it to create you a script for your video. Once it has created that script for your video, now go ahead and ask ChatGPT that it should help you create images for that video. First thing first is ask ChatGPT, how many images do I need to bring this story to life? Once you ask it that, then now tell it to like give you prompts that you can use to create all these images. Give you prompts that you can use to create all these images. Once it has given you these prompts, now go ahead and tell it that go ahead and generate image 1 using the prompts you provided. I believe you are getting that. Go ahead and generate image 1 using the prompt you provided. So at this point, it will start generating image 1 for you. So then you proceed to generate image 2, image 3 till you generate all the images required for this video creation. And finally, you ask ChatGPT that give me prompt to animate each of these images. This is my process. I'm giving you guys my top secrets that are meant for just my students, but I'm giving it to you guys for free. So if you are enjoying this video, ensure you like this video, ensure you drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. Okay, and here is the part where I get to show you guys how you can create videos, I can create animation videos, I can convert those images that ChatGPT gave you to videos. Are you ready, guys? So right now I'll be going to my notepad where I have my prompt, the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. I already saved it in my notepad. So right here I'm on my notepad. You can see it's obvious this was generated by ChatGPT. Can you see how it is? This is not what I took my time to write. ChatGPT wrote all these things for me to tell you that I'm not lying. So once you have these prompts, you can see we have prompt 1. It says image 1 prompt, image 2 prompt. You can see all that up until image 5 prompt. Can you see? So what you do is you copy this prompt and take it to a particular tool which I'll be showing you right now. This is the tool we are going to be using to create our videos. So let me just copy the prompt. Then I'll go to my Chrome browser and search for this tool. So once I am on my Chrome browser like this, I'll search for Google VEO. Once I search for Google VEO, you get to see several sites. So just scroll down till you find this particular site that says Google Flow. Can you see that? So once you click on Google Flow right here, this particular site is synced with Google. Do you understand? So just proceed and choose your Google account to log in. Automatically you'll be logged into the platform. So for me, I am already logged in, so I'll just show you guys how to create your videos. So as you can see, I'm logged in. So once you're on this interface, what you want to do at this point is you want to click on new project. Can you see the video I created earlier on? I mean, the video I showed you guys earlier on. You can see these are some of the signs to show you that this is where I do my videos. So click on new project right here. Once you click on new project, then over here you'll be given a column where you get to like insert your prompt. And also once you insert your prompt like I did, then you get to see a plus button right here, which you get to click to add an image. This plus button is where the magic happens. You want to add the image that you want your video to carry. If you don't add this image, then that is when you get results whereby every scene carries different faces. So that is why it is important you create these images on ground before coming here. So once you're right here, you click on this download button up here. Once you click on that, then right here you get to insert the image you already generated. So I'll insert my image one. Once I insert image one, I'll click on done right here, and I'll proceed and wait for this to upload completely. So it's already uploading. Once this is done uploading, then I'll tap on the image to add it to my prompt. So let's wait a bit. So I believe you are getting value. Awesome. If you've not liked this video, you are really dulling me. You are dulling me, guys. So let's wait for this. Have you subscribed? Have you dropped a comment? Have you liked the video? So this is done uploading. So I just tap on the image like I said, and it has been added to my prompt for me. Can you see? So this is a very important part again, which you must pay attention to. You can see this place where you have video 6 seconds, and so just click on it. Once you click on it, then over here you can see all this. If you want to generate an image on this platform, you click on image, but because you want to generate a video, it is currently on video. And you can see it is also on ingredients. Leave it as that. And you can see it is on 9:16. This is for those that want to create YouTube shorts videos, or you want to create Facebook reels or TikTok videos. Those are the set of people that use 9:16. But if you want to create a long video, then you should use 16:9. And also right here you can see we have 1x, x2, x3, x4. So most people do mistake right here. They get to choose x2, and eventually they get to waste all their credit. So I advise you to use x1, so that each time you give this a command, it creates just one video for you. If it's on x2, it means each time it generates 2 videos for you, and that way you are wasting your credit. So you want to make the best use of your credit so that you can create as much videos as possible. So now leave every other thing like this. So once you're done setting all these things, then you go ahead and click on this arrow right here to generate your video. So now this is generating, so you just have to wait a bit for this to generate. By the way, if you want to create a more detailed tutorial where I show you guys the step-by-step process of me creating my scripts, me creating those prompts I mentioned earlier on, me telling ChatGPT to create images for me, all those things. If you want to create a more detailed tutorial, go to the comment section right now and comment more details. If you just say that, I'll understand what you're saying. Okay, you know, this one I actually skip some part of it, like I did not really go detailed in it because I don't want this video to get too long. So just go to the comment section right now and comment more details, and I'll make a more detailed tutorial showing you guys the process, how to create your script, how to choose a topic that will even go viral, all those things. Okay, so now it is done animating exactly the same image we gave it. That is the result we got. So let's play the video right here. Can you see that? So once you're done with this, you click on this download button right here to download the video. So click on this 720p and it starts downloading for you. Can you see it's already downloading? So now let's do the second one, so you get to see if truly this tool is amazing. So I'll go back to my notepad where I have my prompt. I'll copy this prompt. Once I copy this prompt, click on this check button right here. It means you are done with this particular one. Then paste your prompt right here. Click on this plus button again. Insert the image you want to use by clicking on this download button. Then over here, insert the image you want to use and click on done. This is uploading, guys. So now it is done uploading. So tap on the image to add it to your prompt. As you can see, it has been added. Please, let's read this carefully so you get to see that truly it is what we ask it to give us that it is giving us. It says camera pans across Mayan pyramids at sunset. Warm light flickers over stone surface. Smoke rises from temple fires, and silhouettes, oh, did I get the pronunciation, of priests move slowly through the plaza as birds soar overhead. I guess you read that with me, right? So now let's click on the generate button to generate our video. So let's pay attention and see if truly the prompt we gave it is what it generates for us. So now it is done generating. So let's play the video and see. Let's play the video. So did you see that amazing video? Every details we gave it, the smoke, the birds, the sunset, everything. Do you understand? Can you see the importance of you giving this thing an image before generating your videos? So once you're done generating this, also you click on download again to download it to your phone. Can you see I'm doing all these things with my phone? If you check out there, they all do this on their laptop, but me, I'm showing you I can do it on your phone. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, if you have not dropped a comment to appreciate this video so that this video can reach more people, honestly, I don't know what to say again. So just go ahead and drop a comment, subscribe to this channel, and also like this video. So once this is done downloading, then you proceed to the third prompt and also the third image. So once you keep on doing that, you do that till you finish everything. Do you understand? Finish everything. You can see we had about 5 prompts right there. It means we have about 5 images too. So once you're done creating all these things, like converting everything to a video, you can see they are all 6-second videos. So you just proceed and go to CapCut and match them together. Do you understand? Go ahead and match everything together to have your complete video. I get my point now. Also, if you don't know how to merge videos on CapCut, go to the video description. I dropped a link right there where you get to learn how to use CapCut. Do you understand? Like everything you need to create your video is right here. Everything is right here. People are paying crazy amount of money for this, but I'm giving you all these things for free. So once you're done merging all the videos, the last step is for you to add a voiceover to your video. Just go back to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to create you a voiceover for this video, a voiceover for this topic. And once it gives you that voiceover, go to 11 Lab and generate a voiceover for your video and add it to your video using CapCut. Very simple, guys. Very simple. But like I said, some of you will like someone to hold you by the hand. So if you want such thing, if you want me to hold you by the hand, make a more detailed tutorial, go to the comment section and comment a detailed video, and I'll understand what you are requesting for. So, and that is basically how I went about creating that amazing video you saw earlier. Let me play another video for you guys. Let me now play the complete video so that you get to see how amazing it came out.
In the heart of the jungle, the Mayans carved a calendar unlike any other, not just to mark days, but to map the rhythm of the universe. Each symbol, each cycle, a whisper of creation and destruction. When the world feared 2012, they weren't predicting the end. They were reminding us, time doesn't stop, it renews, and maybe we're already living in the next great cycle.
So you saw that, right? Very amazing. This is very amazing. You can use this on your YouTube shorts or your Facebook reels. So I believe you got value watching this video. If you did, do it to like the video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.